Hello people, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making an origami water lily. So this is super easy. So what you need is a square piece of paper. And what you do, you fold the piece of paper diagonally, and then you unfold, and then you fold diagonally the other way. Okay, and then you unfold. And now you fold these little corners into the middle. All four of them. And then, you see these little corners? You fold them in again. Okay, and then you do it one more time. You might start getting a little crumpled if you've just cut the square from an A4 piece of paper. Okay. And then for these ones, what you do is you fold them backwards about a third way. Okay, so they look like this. Then you do this for all four sides. It doesn't have to be perfect because it still looks good. Then you fold these backwards, these in flaps backwards. All four of them. And then these little in flaps backwards. It's a lot of layers, but it's really, really pretty. And there you have it, a water lily. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Thank you.